Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving into an in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy A75 5G, a smartphone that promises to deliver impressive features and performance. This device is expected to feature a sleek and modern design with dimensions measuring 163.7 mm in height, 76.1 mm in width, and a slim profile of 7.6 mm in depth, weighing approximately 181 grams. It will sport a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of around 393 pixels per inch. The screen is anticipated to support a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and an enhanced viewing experience. Additionally, the display is expected to be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, offering durability against scratches and minor drops. Under the hood, the Galaxy A75 5G is rumored to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset, an octa-core processor designed to handle multitasking and demanding applications efficiently. This is expected to be paired with 8 GB of RAM, providing a responsive and smooth user experience. The device is likely to run on Android 12, layered with Samsung's One UI, offering a user-friendly interface and a host of customization options. For photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy A75 5G is anticipated to feature a versatile quad-camera setup. The main camera is expected to be a 108MP wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture, equipped with optical image stabilization for capturing detailed and sharp images. It will be accompanied by a 12MP ultra-wide sensor with an f2.2 aperture for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots, a 5MP macro lens with an f2.4 aperture for detailed close-up shots, and a 5MP depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture for creating natural bokeh effects in portrait mode. The rear camera setup is expected to support 4K video recording at 30 fps and 1080p recording at 30 fps. On the front, a 32MP wide-angle selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture is anticipated, supporting both 4K and 1080p video recording for high-quality selfies and video calls. In terms of storage, the Galaxy A75 5G is expected to offer 128 GB of internal storage, with support for expandable storage via a hybrid slot, accommodating micro SD cards up to 1 TB. This provides ample space for apps, photos, and media files. The device is likely to be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 67W fast charging, ensuring extended usage and quick recharging times. The smartphone is anticipated to support a range of connectivity options, including 5G, 4G Volt, Wi-Fi 4, Bluetooth V5.3, NFC, and USB Type-C. Additional features may include an in-display fingerprint sensor, face-unlocked stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in various environments. As of now, Samsung has not officially announced the Galaxy A75 5G. However, based on its anticipated features and market positioning, it's speculated that the device could be priced around $500 to $600 in the United States. Please note that this information is based on available rumors and leaks, and official details may vary upon release. That's all for today's in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy A75 5G. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide for more updates on the latest smartphones. See you in the next video.